Learn about the preposition apart. When you pair apart with the word from, it becomes a compound preposition that means except or besides. Here are some examples. Apart from her haughty nature, Manuela got along pretty well with Sofia. Apart from their age, they didn't share very much in common. Manuela enjoyed playing sports and Sofia enjoyed reading books. Apart from these differences, they got along very well together. There was a small town apart from all the others that seemed like their perfect fit. They felt like they were living apart from the world, which was exactly what they wanted. Put the words in the correct order. Pause the video if you need more time. The words should read, "The girls decided they could not live apart. Apart from their age, they didn't share a lot in common. They picked a small village to settle in, apart from the world." What are strategies you use to keep your personal life and your work life apart? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.